J Tiger in Thailand here. I've got a short copy of this one a little before, but this is another bad motor scooter. I actually talked to the owner. He says that it does have a big bore kit, and this is 160 cc's. We've got the aftermarket oil cooler, and this guy has got some titanium dual exhaust. And this is sweet. I actually heard it run. It's actually not real loud, but you can tell when he does rev it up, it revs up really quick. So and that is some of the documentation that they have to have on a lot of these motorcycles in the tube there. And we have some billet covers, and we've got a billet shifter. We've got the billet foot peg